Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, with aspect ratio settings bar at the first place. So as you can see we are in 3 and 4, let's move to 1 and 1, so the background has changed to the square one. Another tab here, and we can pick 9 and 16 aspect ratio, a little bit longer. And then we can pick also the full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And of course you can go to whatever you need on these settings. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.